In this video we're going to be talking about the top 5 magic tricks kits, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you want to unleash your inner magician, look no further than the Phantasmer Deluxe Grand Illusions Magic Set. Packed with over 200 tricks, this magic kit is perfect for aspiring magicians aged 7 and older. From the arm twister to the metal linking rings, rising magic wand to the secret levitation device, this set has all the props you need to wow your audience. But it doesn't stop there. The Deluxe Grand Illusions Magic Set comes with a detailed instruction manual and instructional video download, making it easy for beginners to learn and perform each trick. Plus, there are bonus instructions that show you how to perform tricks using everyday household objects. To inspire young magicians even further, this set includes a Houdini poster with mind prediction tricks built into the design. And as an added bonus, you'll also get access to exclusive Houdini footage that showcases the magic of one of the greatest illusionists of all time. Not only will this magic set provide hours of entertainment, but it also offers personal development benefits. By practicing these tricks, you'll improve self-confidence, public speaking skills, hand-eye coordination, and interpersonal communication skills. It's worth noting that the Phantasmer Deluxe Grand Illusions Magic Set has the endorsement of the International Brotherhood of Magicians, a testament to its quality and authenticity. So if you're ready to become the next master magician, pick up the Phantasmer Deluxe Grand Illusions Magic Set today and prepare to dazzle and amaze with over 200 mind-blowing tricks. Looking to spark the imagination of your little magician? Look no further than the Enchanting Magic Kit. Packed with 12 vibrant and engaging props, this kit allows children to perform over 22 mesmerizing magic tricks that will leave everyone mystified. Cups and balls, growing cards, and more, this kit has it all. But the fun doesn't stop there. With our clear and child-friendly instruction manual, your little magician can unlock links to online videos featuring a real magician teaching each trick. It's like having a personal magic tutor right at their fingertips. Designed for ages 6 and up, this magic kit is perfect for beginners and experienced magicians alike. It promotes the development of fine motor skills and boosts self-esteem as children master each trick. Crafted from top-quality materials, each piece in this kit is built to withstand years of practice and play. We've carefully designed them to replicate authentic magician props for an immersive experience. And if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, don't worry. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Simply let us know within 30 days, and we'll gladly refund your full purchase price. Shopping with us is always risk-free. Unleash the magic within your child with the Enchanting Magic Kit. Let their imagination soar as they become the star of their very own magical show. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift for your child, look no further than the Scurfy Magic Trick Set. This unique set is designed for kids ages 6 and up, providing them with their first journey into the world of magic. With 12 sets of high-quality magic props and easy-to-learn tricks, your child can become a professional magician in no time. Not only will they have a blast performing these tricks, but it will also help increase their self-confidence and exercise their ability to think. The set also includes a dress-up outfit, complete with a 37-inch cloak that can be used for Halloween shows and other performances. Safety is a top priority, as the tricks are made of high-quality materials that won't harm your child. Plus, the detailed instruction manual will guide your child through each step to ensure they become a pro magician quickly. This magic trick set is the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Get ready to be amazed by your child's newfound magic skills with the Scurfy Magic Trick Set. If you're looking for a magical crafting experience for your little ones, the Allritz Fairy Polyjuice Potion Kits are the perfect choice. This kit comes with everything your child needs to create their own magic potions and let their imagination soar. With a recipe book, locker, 20 magic bottles, fairy wings, and various other magical items, the possibilities are endless. The Allritz Fairy Polyjuice Potion Kits allow kids to make 20 potions using 7 enchanting recipes. Not only can they follow the provided recipes, but they can also create their own concoctions, encouraging creativity and exploration. The kit even includes blank potion labels for a personalized touch. Suitable for kids aged 6 to 12, this craft kit provides hours of fun for both children and adults alike. Parents and grandparents can join in on the magic and mix their own fairy potions alongside their little ones. With enough magical items to make 20 potions, the Ulritz Fairy Polyjuice Potion Kits offer endless entertainment for children. Their imaginations will flourish as they play the role of little magical fairies. Once the potions are ready, kids can proudly display their creations in the potion box, complete with fairy things to enhance the enchanting effect. For an extra touch of luck, they can use the included thread to turn one of their fairy potions into a necklace with a lucky 4-leaf clover. Unleash your child's creativity and let them experience the magic of crafting with the Ulritz Fairy Polyjuice Potion Kits. Get ready for hours of imaginative play and beautiful creations. Are you ready to unleash your inner scientist? With the Englinger 70 Lab Experiment Science Kits, you'll have hours of fun exploring the world of science. This massive kit is perfect for kids aged 4 to 12, and it's great for sharing with family, friends, or classmates. Just like a real scientist in a lab, you'll get to critically think, problem solve, and sharpen your science and math skills. With a total of 70 experiments to choose from, there's no shortage of excitement. You can build and erupt a volcano, grow your own crystals, launch a balloon rocket, create fruit circuits, and even cause some awesome chemical reactions. Each experiment is easy to conduct and a whole lot of fun. Don't worry if you're new to science, the easy-to-follow manual has clear illustrations for each step. It also provides fascinating insights into the chemical reactions happening right before your eyes. Additionally, there's a detailed learning guide that teaches you the science behind each experiment. This way, you can develop a deep and lasting appreciation for a variety of scientific concepts. But it's not all about learning, it's about having a blast too. The Englinger STEM series offers high-quality educational toys that are tons of fun. All the ingredients included in this kit are safe and child-friendly. So, let's dive into the world of science and unleash your inner scientist with the Englinger 70 Lab Experiment Science Kits. Get ready to learn, experience, and play while having an absolute blast. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.